Hello guys, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you are all doing well, my dear beloved brothers and sisters. So as you can see, this is Nurulum. Welcome back to my English habit. And as you can see here, very near a airport, and this is a crown city. Okay, so and actually right now morning time. Okay, and this is a village type area. Okay, actually. I never found village type area, uh, Dhaka city. Okay, for Dhaka city, but here this area very natural, neat and clean, and fully totally village type. Okay, so so that's why this place very amazing and my favorite place. Okay, so that's why every day I try after exercise I came here and make videos. Okay, and as you can see uh, this is sun. Okay, and actually I don't know, this is a, there are many, there are many pillars. Okay, so this pillar big. Okay, actually uh, right now you are very fresh and very cool. Actually I am very tired because almost 30-minute exercise, and after that I came here and make videos. Okay, so actually every day I make video because this is my duty. Okay, like I want to really my speak English improvement. Okay, so that's why every day I try makes video, and I want to some documentary or like improvement every day. Okay, uh, okay, because after 3 months or 1 month, right now like যেভাবে means okay, uh, tell speak you after 6 months or after 1 month I cannot uh, uh, I cannot I cannot same communication or same speak. Okay, because then uh, I will be many actions or big actions, I believe it. So that's why my beginning journey, my beginning learning, uh, uh, how was okay, I see, I washing, I will wash. Okay, and as you can see right now coming train, and here train sound, you imagine that and you feel it. Okay, this is a train sound. Okay, I cannot see. Okay, come to our main point. Actually this is a practicing video, so that's why no, don't worry brother. uh, if you can watch my video, or if you cannot watch my video, so don't worry, because all every video uh, make only just practicing, not not this video uh, uh, learning video. Okay, so uh, so that's it. Okay, so actually this is my duty. Okay, because I want to really learn English, I want to really my improvement. Okay, so that's why every day I try uh, makes video English. Okay, so I hope you learned something this video and enjoy with me. So keep learning, keep practicing every day and never give up. Okay, and believe in yourself. So thank you so much for watching this video. Next, see you soon. So tata, bye bye, Allah Hafiz, assalamu alaikum.